In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $100 an hour, and you can do this full-time or part-time if you choose to, and you'll be able to make your own schedule. And maybe you're a stay-at-home mom and you want to find a way to make an income but still be able to stay at home with your children and have a flexible schedule. Most people I deal with don't have a credit issue. They generally have a cash flow issue, which causes them not to pay their bills on time. So in this video, I'm going to show you what's called an insurance loss control residential inspection in the field inspection industry. The banks and also insurance companies need contractors to go out and to take pictures and inspect properties. This company I am going to show you today covers insurance loss control inspections. So anytime you're a homeowner and you renew your homeowner's insurance policy, your agent will tell you that someone will come out and take pictures of your property in order to make sure that that property is a secured risk. This is your job, which you will be doing to pick up these inspections, and they only take about 15 minutes to perform, and many times you do not have to meet with the homeowner. You will simply take pictures of the property and do a report and make notes of any safety hazards and repairs that you may see, because they will want the homeowner to fix it. I also have an ebook where you can find companies like this in all 50 states. You can get this ebook. I will leave the link in the description of the video and in the pinned comment section. Now, here's an example of what you will do when you're out to take pictures of these homes. They will want you to identify the address and the front of the home and get the sides of the home and the rear of the home if possible. They would like for you to be able to get a full view of the roof. So they would want you to take pictures of the front and the back of the roof and in the back of the full view of the home, because if there is any problems, they would want that homeowner to fix it. Some companies do require for you to purchase a camera stick so you can get a clear and precise photo of the roof. Now, every company does not request this, but they really want to see if there's any roof damage, because if there's a storm and that roof was already damaged, this can cost the insurance company a lot of money. Other very important photos they would want you to take is that of the sidewalks. If you see cracks, this can be a trip hazard. So they would want the homeowner to patch this, because if someone trip and fall, that can be a claim against their home insurance policy. So you would have to recommend that the homeowner will fix this kind of damage. They also would want you to take pictures of the gutters. If anything is disconnected, they will want you to recommend that the homeowner fix this issue, because the water can be eroding away from the base of the foundation and causing moisture to get into the basement. So this can be very costly if it causes damage, and the insurance company don't want a claim because of this type of neglect. Some companies, but not all, would want you to have a sketch. They will have a computer software. And one thing you are required to purchase is your own measuring wheel. So you would take measurements on the side and the front of the home so they can figure out what is the square footage of the home, because the homeowner is charged per square foot for their homeowner's insurance coverage. So they would want for you to get an accurate measurement with your measurement wheel. And you can buy these at Home Depot for about $20 to $30 tops. Now, here's a photo of the measuring wheel. You would just roll it on the side in the front of the building. For you to figure out the square footage, you would times the width times the length in order to get the square footage of the home. And with this wheel, it will count the footage for you from the front and the side, and you will take notes and you will come up with the square footage of the home. Now, one of the companies that are looking for contractors is Insurance Risk Services. They cover residential, commercial inspections, and they have a coverage area of half of the nation that they do these types of inspections. So you will see it is the Southwest and towards the East Coast that they are looking for different inspectors in those areas. Like I said, in my ebook, I do have other companies if you are located outside of these areas. But with this company, they are always looking for different contractors. So if you're interested in doing this kind of work, this is a professional career that people do full time. You will have to present yourself in casual clothing and be able to articulate yourself if you do encounter a customer. I will leave the link to this website and you can come and fill out the independent contractor form. And with this company and other companies in this industry, they will pay $25 for the simple outside inspection, all the way up to $75, depending on if it is a multifamily unit. And some of those you do have to make an appointment. So with these inspections, you can do a number of them in 1 hour. And for the simple inspections, you can definitely do 4 per hour to make $100 an hour by doing this. Now, if you have questions,